Welcome to the world of online tools. Today, we dive into the essence of what is my IP and its significance in the digital realm. Your IP address is your digital fingerprint, a unique identifier in the vast web landscape. Let's unveil the power behind this crucial element. The What is my IP tool is your gateway to understanding this intricate code. Discover how it demystifies the technical into the accessible. Navigating websites becomes seamless with this tool. Explore the ease it brings to optimizing your online experience effortlessly. Unlock the full potential of your online presence. Learn how What is my IP empowers you to take control and enhance your digital footprint. For internet enthusiasts and website owners alike, this tool is a game changer. Embrace the future of website optimization with a single click. Dive into the realm of What is my IP on alnokit.com. Elevate your online journey and witness the transformation firsthand. Join the ranks of those who harness the power of knowledge. Experience the What is my IP tool and revolutionize your online endeavors. In a digital world brimming with possibilities, your IP address is your beacon. Let What is my IP illuminate the path to a more optimized online presence. Seize the opportunity to delve deeper into the core of your online identity. What is my IP stands as the key to unlocking a world of insights. Empower yourself with the knowledge of your IP address. Embrace the tool that simplifies the complex and amplifies your digital capabilities. Enhance your online journey with precision and clarity. What is my IP is not just a tool, it's your gateway to a more informed digital experience. Step into the future of website optimization. Let What is my IP be your companion in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Discover the simplicity behind understanding your IP address. With What is my IP, complexity dissipates, leaving clarity in its wake. Embrace the tool that bridges the gap between tech jargon and user-friendly insights. What is my IP redefines accessibility in the digital sphere. Join the community of empowered users. What is my IP is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for a more enriched online presence. As you embark on your digital endeavors, remember, your IP address holds the key. Let What is my IP unlock a world of possibilities for you. Experience the transformation firsthand. What is my IP on alnokit.com awaits, ready to elevate your online journey to new heights.